morning grade 4, a warm welcome to the English class. In the previous class, we discussed a few exercises from the chapter Good Neighbours. Today, let's discuss the rest of the exercise. So, let's start with the listening exercise today, and after that, let's discuss the punctuation exercise. Then, we'll discuss the writing exercise, and then we'll finish it off with my word bank exercise. Now, the listening exercise. Here, the question is to listen to the passage and arrange these sentences in the correct sequence. One has been done for you. You can see a few sentences are given here. Now, you have to listen to a passage which contains these sentences. Then, based on your listening, you have to sequence or order these sentences in the right order of their occurrence in the passage. So, you can access the digital content of this textbook. You'll get the same page, and just beside the heading listening, you'll be able to see a symbol which you can click on and listen to the passage. Or else, I will read out that passage to you. You can listen carefully and arrange these sentences in the right sequence. So, listen carefully. Trisha went to the market with her dad. Trisha selected a big Christmas tree. Dhiman, Jyoti and Rick came running when they saw the tree. Dad set up the tree in the hall. Trisha unpacked the decorations. Dhiman hung the bright ornaments and silver bells. Jyoti hung little glass Santas on the trees. Mom helped in decorating the room. So, did you listen to the passage carefully to get the correct sequence of the sentences here? If needed, we can replay this video and listen to it once again and then order these sentences in the right sequence. If you are done with that, let's move on to the next exercise. This is the punctuation exercise. This is about the use of apostrophe. So, all of you know the apostrophe. This is the symbol apostrophe. This is used along with a noun to show the possession, that is, to show that something belongs to somebody. So, apostrophe is used with a noun to show that something belongs to somebody. For example, Jack's yard. In the story we saw, Nako ran over to Jack's yard. So, as you see, there is an apostrophe used after the word Jack and before the letter S. This shows that the yard belongs to Jack. Then, Nako's snowman. Here the apostrophe used here shows that snowman belongs to Nako. In your textbook, page number 31, you can see a small note right under the heading punctuation. You see that? You can see the same examples given there, Jack's yard and Nako's snowman. And you see the words Jack's and Nako's are highlighted in red color. So, these words here are called possessive nouns because an apostrophe is used there in each of these words to show something belongs to them. So, these are possessive nouns. Now, there is an exercise connected with this given there right below. This is rewrite these sentences after inserting the missing apostrophe wherever required. Now, here you can see a few sentences are given, but apostrophe is not used in any of these sentences. You have to identify along with which noun or along with which word you have to use apostrophe to make the sentence more meaningful. Let's see the first question as an example. Anjana's work is quite neat. Can you identify where we should use that apostrophe? Anjana's work is quite neat. It seems that here we are talking about the work done by Anjana. So, the work belongs to Anjana. So, where should we use that apostrophe? In the word Anjana's. So, it should be Anjana's work is quite neat. You can see the apostrophe used right after the word Anjana and before the letter S. So, this means the work belongs to Anjana and it is quite neat. So, just like this, identify where to use the apostrophe and correct the rest of the sentences and rewrite the rest of the sentences in your notebook. Now let's discuss the next exercise. This is the writing exercise, and here you have to read the sample poster and notice the labels. Now design a poster for a holy mela organized in your neighborhood. Turn to page number 32 and you can see a sample poster given there. What is a poster? A poster is a card that carries an advertisement or announcement. A sample poster is given there, like you can see, and it's about a Hornbill festival. You see pictures are given there, and there is at the top there is a slogan. It's a catchy one. What is the slogan given there? For fun, food and the frolic and loads of excitement, Hornbill festival. So the poster begins with a catchy slogan. Now below that the venue of the festival is mentioned, and after that the date and time of the festival is mentioned, and the points to be noted or the special attractions of the festival is also mentioned at the bottom of the poster. Do you see them? And at the bottommost part you can see the name of the organizer, who is organizing the festival, that is also mentioned. Now you can take this poster as a sample. Similar to this, you have to create a poster. For what? For a holy mela which will be organized in your neighborhood. So there should be a catchy slogan. If needed, you can draw pictures or paste pictures. Then we have to mention the venue, the date and time, and what all will be the special attractions and what all will be the specialties of the mela can also be mentioned in the poster. If any particular club or organization is conducting the mela, you can mention their name also as the name of the organizer. So make a beautiful poster, take a picture and send us through Teams. So I hope that is clear to you. Now let's discuss the My Word Bank exercise. This is to write the names of 3 different winter clothings from the story. So in the story we saw how Jack hesitated at first to go out and how his mother convinced him to wear some winter clothes to keep himself warm and go out and play. So you have to write down the name of those winter clothes here. So children, I hope you are clear with the instructions. Please complete all the exercise from the chapter and then you have to submit your answers in Microsoft Teams. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, bye.